National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monticello to 6 miles southwest of Lake Park, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monticello, Madison, Greenville, Lee, Alma, Dills, Ebb, Lamar, Hamburg, Panetta, Eridu, Nash, Driven, Lovett, Casablanca, Hockina, Henson, Sermons, Lake Miccosukee, and Mosley Hall. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Jefferson and Madison.
All right.